Stop the car, kuya! I said stop the car! Stop the car! Kunwari, mag-shoot kami ng cycle sa asa. Mga dadali. Ang daming nangyayari, ha? Manahimik kayo lahat!
Uy, may nagpaano.
Oh my God! What is that?
It's a Philippine Eagle.
Oh my God! Come to Philippines! I will tour you! I will be your tour guide!
Yeah.
I will tour you here in the Philippines.
Hindi ka nga marunong tumawid eh.
But if they are, they go like slay. I like girls too, you know. I mean, we can all wait. Let me explain. Like I have a lot of girl crushes. That's why. Woo!